Hello everybody and welcome to this video. So in the previous video we talked about PrintLn's and how they're used and how they're declared. Again, you declare println exactly like I have right here with the system.out.println and then parentheses, two parentheses and quotes, and then inside the quotes goes the text or the thing that you are printing out, followed by a closing parentheses and a semicolon. And again, you can print out as many things as you want back to back. They could be on the same line. They could be different lines. You could have lines that separate them, which is what this PrintLn does. Again, that's just how you are able to print something to the console. As you see here, it printed something to the console. Now in this video, I basically want to talk about common issues that I see. Before I get into that, I want to talk about what this does. Two backslashes in Java mean they're comments. So, for example, these are just like comments for programmers. That's just the way that programmers work with code. For example, they say, okay, this line says do not delete this line, do not delete this line. It's basically like a set of instructions for somebody. Or if you're in a software engineering industry where you're writing code and like somebody's telling you to write code, what you want to do is you want to comment the code so that somebody after you is able to edit it and understand what the code does. So basically, comments do not affect your program. If I go ahead and run it, like it's going to run normally. It's going to print the normal output. It doesn't affect the output. And there's also multi-line comments, meaning I could have comments that are multiple lines. So instead of doing this all the time and then doing this all the time, I could have a paragraph comment which goes like this, which is a slash star. And then I can have enter, enter, and then a star slash, meaning like these are all multi-lines. So whatever is contained in this, starting from this slash star to this star slash, will be multi-line comments. Again, those are just two different ways that you are able to comment code, and you'll perhaps see me do that a lot. You will see me, okay, like I would say, go to this line later or come back for later. You'll see me do that sometimes here and there. But yeah, that's just comments. Now let me go ahead and move on to common issues that I see with people when they're doing PrintLn's. So let's just see some common issues that the compiler prints out. Let me just delete these for our own safety. Let's just say I didn't do a capital S. Let's just see what happens. As you can see, the program, we have a new issue that we haven't seen before. It's saying error package system does not exist. So it's basically giving you what the error says, what we just did, that we purposely produced. It's saying, I don't know what system lowercase s means, so it's telling you fix it. So if I go back to what it was before, system, and then let's just say I didn't have a opening quote, and I just had this. Let's just see what happens. Let me go ahead and clear it, compile it. Now it's telling me unclosed string literal, meaning I closed the string, but it never opens, meaning like I never opened it, but I closed it. So the program is telling you that you have some unclosed strings. So for example, if you open up a string, you have to close it. And if you close a string, you have to open it somehow. So in this case, as you can see, if you're watching this video, I obviously did that on purpose. And to fix this issue should be obvious. I need to have quotes like that. Now this basically tells the program system.println, whatever comes inside the quotes. Again, that's important if you want to be able to print out text. So now if I run it, the program runs fine. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.